Cari fratelli e sorelle, and welcome to my weekly video blog. It's going to be quite a short one this week because there's not a lot to report. In fact, there's almost nothing to report. At least there's nothing that I can openly share with everybody at the moment. But the diet is going well as far as I know, although I haven't yet sort of weighed in. So I don't really know, to be honest, but I hope it's going well. There are going to be significant changes very, very shortly. Again, none of that I can really divulge or speak about at present. There is one thing that I can speak about, and that's the fact that I am in the early stages of planning my next tour. And you know, there was three sort of cities that was, I suppose, on the list to visit. One of them being Jerusalem, but I decided against that. One being Istanbul in Turkey. Both of those two would follow on quite nicely from Rome, which was where I visited sort of on my last major tour abroad. But I have decided that I may go back to the US. It would be my third trip. I cancelled a third trip that was going to happen in 2012, and that was to sort of visit some of the southern states, which got cancelled when I ended up moving house instead. This one is not going to pick up where that one left off. This one is thinking of going again to the sort of eastern seaboard, but covering areas around New York that I haven't covered, that I didn't cover before on either of my other two journeys. When and where that takes place, I don't know really. It's something that I have to save up myself for. And the other thing, of course, with that is that it's been snowing there in the US this week. Terrible, terrible snow. It's all been over very, very quickly, but they have had record levels of snow in, you know, most of the eastern seaboard, in fact. So, needless to say, I think it will probably be a fall visit rather than a vernal visit. My vernal holidays are about 7 weeks away. So, other than that, there is little more to say. So, let us look at the birthdays for this week. If you'll just excuse me while I bring them all up. Rather a lot of birthdays this week. One, in fact, that I have missed. It was Dawn Radcliffe's birthday yesterday, so belated birthday wishes for her. I have got Anthony Pettis, Lincoln Franklin, Cortez Coleman, Beau Corbry, and Michelle Gill. So I hope they all have fantastic birthdays, eat lots of cake, etc, etc, and that is it for my blog for this week. So until next time.